Guys, notice anything different? My hair is blue. Yes, I've been posting all over Instagram about all the different wigs I've been buying recently, but I haven't worn one in a YouTube video yet, although I had one on in the thumbnail of the last video. Clickbait, I'm wearing one now. I always thought like it was really hard to make wigs look realistic. A lot of people have told me they think it's real, so I'm still getting used to like wearing wigs out in public. I feel like I'm gonna do something and my wig is gonna get accidentally snatched off my head. But you know what? Sometimes you just need to be brave and go out in the world and wear what you want to wear. And that's what this video is about. This is something that I would probably wear to like a concert or for a photo shoot or something. I'm gonna be showing you how to make this shirt and two others out of bandana. I kind of just like winged it. You can make this shirt out of stuff you probably have at home already. It doesn't involve any sewing or cutting. You can take this shirt apart again. Your bandana will be totally intact and use the bandana for whatever else people use bandanas for. That was so many words. So if you want to know how to make a shirt out of a bandana, keep watching.
You're gonna want to start out with just a normal bandana. You're gonna fold it in half diagonally. You're gonna put the long side at the bottom and the pointed part at the top. Wrap the two pieces behind you and tie them together. And for me, they didn't reach, so I just kind of grabbed a little hair tie and tied them together like that. So then you're gonna kind of shimmy it up your body and take the two folded parts of the top and fold them underneath each other as if you're gonna sew down a hemline. And take another hair tie and tie those together from the inside. So after that, take a necklace or some string, thread it through the seam that you made, and tie it around your neck. And there you go, you have a halter top. This is the second way, the easiest way. Fold it in half the same way, but shimmy the fold up a little bit, wrap that part around your body, kind of move edges a little bit, make sure it's in place, and tie the back, and then tuck the front down, and there you go, it's a bandeau. And with this one, you can go full art hoe if you want. The last way, take the bandana, keep it in a square, tie the two ends around your neck. Take the other two corners and take some string, take a hair tie and secure those together. Tie the string around the bandana too, just to make sure it's secure. Do that for both sides. You could probably also do this with some sort of necklace chain. Honestly, this might not be the most secure shirt, but if you're just using it for a photo shoot, I think it's pretty cute. You're probably not going to want to wear a bra with this one just because it's backless. That's kind of the point of it. But yeah, there you go. There's your backless top.
That was 3 different ways to make a no-sew bandana shirt under $1. Thank you guys for watching. Feel free to subscribe or check out my Instagram, which is linked below. If you decide to try one of these tutorials, I'd love to see pictures or hear about how it went. Until next time, bye.